Hello everyone. Today, we're looking at a very useful feature in Workstair, Job Head App Access Control. Let's get started. In Workstair, you can manage access control in three places: General Settings, at the job level, and at the schedule level. First, let's start in General Settings. Here, you can create custom configurations for your team. To do this, go to Settings and then select Job Head Access. Here, you can give each configuration a custom name. Let's create a new one. Name it as General Pest Control. After that, you can decide exactly what to enable or disable. For instance, if you don't want price details showing up in the schedule on the mobile app, you can disable that. Or, if you want to allow invoicing, just enable the fields for that. Once you're done with the settings, click Save to save the configuration. You can view all saved configurations as a list. You can now set one as the default. Whenever you create a new job, the default configuration will be automatically loaded. Let's create a job now. And when we check the configuration, we'll see that the default configuration is loaded. If you want to adjust the configuration for a specific job, that's also possible. And when you create a schedule from that job, it will follow that particular job's configuration. The same applies when you convert a plan into a schedule. Let's do a quick example of converting a schedule plan to a schedule so you can see how it works. You'll notice that the job configuration we set earlier will automatically be applied to the schedules. Here, you can also modify the configuration if needed. This configuration will be sent to the mobile app, ensuring that the technician using the mobile app sees only what you have set up in the schedule. If you enable the invoice option here, then the invoice button will appear on the mobile app. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you need any additional clarification, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team.